But I want to see more videos. I want to see a ton more videos. And how do you do this? Make more videos, put them out there. They don't need to be good, okay? You've probably heard of Steven Spielberg, right?
Maybe.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
One of my favorite quotes of all time is by Spielberg. He said, it doesn't matter if you know what you're doing or not. Grab a camera. Now you're a director. Shoot a movie. Now you just made a movie. Was it good? It doesn't matter. You made a movie. Now make another one. Because your first couple movies are going to suck. Your first couple ad campaigns are going to suck.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Keep doing it.
You learned something. You learned what not to do, and you're growing from that.
Yep.
Okay. Now, she said she did a marketing campaign. Did she do A/B research, or did she just post a photo, put it out there, and not get anything in return? We don't know because we don't know all the details.
Right.
But there's a lot of layers to this that actually help you grow through your marketing. So by posting shorts to YouTube, that's not a good way to build your YouTube, but it's a great way to get eyes on your YouTube. So posting shorts a lot, posting reels is a fantastic way, or TikToks is a great way for people to go, who's Alyssa Marie? Then you get to them to your main page. That's where you have YouTube. And why I preach YouTube so much is because so many social medias out there are really good for right now. Instagram, if you posted something a week ago, Hilda, I'm not gonna see it. Unless I go to your page, I will never see it in my feed. Nathan, if you post on TikTok an awesome video of you shooting something in Chicago, unless I see it very soon to when you post it, I'm never gonna see it unless you're in my actual feed, right? I'm never gonna see it. YouTube is built like a library. No matter how many years go by, if someone looks up nail lounge, guess what? They're gonna find you in their feed because it works like a library.
Yep.